Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard commerce students. Today we are going to discuss first practical, that is SOP1 from chapter 2nd, that is digital marketing. In digital marketing chapter, we have seen how to optimize a web page, and then we can perform an audit of your website to check up to which extent your web page has been optimized. So there are different SEO audit tools freely available which you can use to make a audit of your website. So let us go through the question of SOP1. With the help of SEO tool which is freely available, optimize the website and write down the following findings. So we have to use any SEO audit tool which is freely available. While discussing this chapter, that is digital marketing, we have seen or we have gone through this point, that is SEO audit. While performing SEO audit, we have used SEO Optimer as a SEO audit tool which is freely available. So same tool we are going to use today to solve this practical. Ask the teacher or examiner to provide URL of the website to be optimized. That is, which website is to be optimized. That URL you will get from teacher or examiner. So today we will perform an SEO audit of some website. What findings are to be note down, that is name of website you are optimizing, which website we are optimizing, then whether the site has title tag, whether site has header tags, if it is having a header tag, then which tags are there, whether the images used has a alt attribute, what is the comment about usability. So these 5 questions are to be answered by performing a SEO audit of some website. So we have to first of all create one Word document which will include these 5 questions. So I have here created one document, chapter 2nd digital marketing. From chapter 2nd we are solving the SOP 1 practical, and now these 5 questions are there: name of the website you are optimizing, title tag, header tag, alt attribute, and about a usability. So now to solve this practical, we have to open any browser. Here I am going to use Google Chrome. Here you have to use any SEO audit freely available tool. Here we are going to use SEO Optimer. SEO Optimer, type SEO Optimer in a Google search. You will get a very first link. Click on that, SE Optimer. Now here you have to provide a path of site for which you want to perform a SEO audit. Suppose we are performing an SEO audit for website, that is suppose www.w3school.com. So this is the site name. So mention that site name in our Word document also. So here specify a name of website, www dot w3 school.com. Okay, this is the answer of first question. Now click on the audit button and it will start auditing. Its status will be displayed over here. These are the different tabs. This is the result, this is about a usability, ranking, etc. So we have completed with the audit. First question asked is that, see here, name of website is w3school.com, whether the site has title tag. So this we have to check here. So scroll down and here is about a title tag in a HTML header. So about a title tag, you have a title tag of the optimal length. So this site is having a title tag with optimal length between 10 to 70 characters and the length is 30. Okay, so we can either take a snapshot of this or we can type also. If you want to take a snapshot of this, we can use any tool. I am using here snipping tool. So click on the snipping tool, new, and then take a snap of this about a title tag. Now save this in the folder. Specify a name for it. Then in that folder, here we will get that image, copy that image, and now paste it in the answer of the title tag. So here answer is this. This is about a title tag. Now next question is whether the site has header tags, and if yes, which tags are there. So we want to check about a title header tag now. So in body content, you will get information about a header tags. So your page is not making effective use of header tags. So this site has not made effective use of header tags. HTML header tags are an important way of signaling to search engines the important content topic of your page and subsequently the keywords it should rank for. So these are the different tags H1, H2, H3 up to H6. These are the heading level tags, header tags, and out of these only H1, H3 tag is used. If we want to have more details about it, then we can check here. Here H3 tag and its value is top. We can hide that details by clicking here, and as the answer of that question you can take a snapshot of this. So again use a snipping tool, click on the new, and here then click on the save button. Again here specify a name, suppose header tag, save that image, then from folder copy that image and paste it in a Word document over here. So answer and paste over here. So this is about the header tags. Now we have to check about the images, that whether images has alt attribute. So for that again here we will scroll down. After keyword consistency, here you can see image alt attributes. So you have images on your page that are missing alt attributes. We found 44 images on your page and 4 of them are missing the attributes. So see here, these 4 images have missed the alt attribute. Okay, so we can also take a snapshot of this. about image alt attributes. Again, from snipping tool, we can click over here, new, and then copy this, save this image, provide here a meaningful name, suppose image, then again from the folder copy that image and paste it into a Word document. So here paste that image. Next question is, what is the comment about a usability? So we have to check about the usability of this cell. So for an answer, we will again click here on a usability tab, and directly you will get a comment about usability. So this is a comment about usability, that your usability could be better. So this is a comment. You can take a snapshot of this using snipping tool. Click on the new and take a snapshot of this. Save into a folder. Usability. Then again copy it and paste in a Word document. So this is a comment about usability. So in this way we have completed with the first practical from second chapter, that is digital marketing. So in this way you have to prepare a soft copy, as well as you have to note down these all questions with answers in your notebook also. So in this way complete this practical number 1 from digital marketing. First of all, note down the question of it like this, and then you have to create such a word copy, and we will take a printout of this, as well as you have to note down these all in your practical notebook. Okay, so note down all these. Here you can take any another website name also, but mention that name over here in the first question, that is name of the website you are optimizing. In this way complete this practical number 1. Thank you.